Hey beauties, thanks for tuning in to CYB TV. This is Cherish. So in this video, I don't know where I'm supposed to be looking. I don't know if I'm supposed to be looking here or there. All I know is this is a new camera, you guys, and I'm going to be getting used to it, okay? So I don't know where I'm supposed to be looking at quite yet, but anyways, in this video, I'm going to be trying Instabrows, or it's called Instabrows, but I saw these brows where you go ahead and put them on. Like, speaking of brows, I know I'm looking crazy because I don't have no brows, you guys. I do not have my brows on at all. I did not do them. It felt so weird because usually I do my brows first and then I do the rest of my makeup. But for the sake of this video, I didn't do any brows. But anyways, oh, sorry. I'm really hoping these things work. These Instabrows, these things where I'm supposed to put it on my skin, and it's like one of those tattoos, you know, when you're a kid and you had to put water on the back of it and then you peel it up. So that's pretty much what these brows are. I have not tried it. I have not tried the product or anything, but no lie, this took like a month to get to me. It's like $10. Okay, so let me show you guys what it looks like. I don't even know whether the front or the back is. Okay, this looks like the front right here. Okay, so if you can see this. Okay, so it comes with 10 pairs, I believe, 10 pairs of brows. And you're supposed to put water on the back of it, like I explained to you, with like a tattoo when you were a kid or whatnot, little peel off tattoos. And you're supposed to peel it off, and you're supposed to have Instabrows. So we're gonna try this out. I got all my stuff ready. I have my water. Now I did, this does not come with instructions, but I do remember reading the instructions when I ordered it a month ago or however long ago. And so they said you make sure the area where you're going to place the brows is dry, and I have alcohol just to really soak up the oil because I tend to get oily. Like, I tend to get oily very fast. I'm probably already looking oily right now on camera. So I'm going to do that. I have my cotton balls to like do the water and the alcohol, and I have some scissors to cut. Okay, so I'm gonna cut out 2 pairs, and just to give you guys a little background information, so when I saw it on Instagram, I clicked the little, you know, the little shop button or whatever, went to the website, and they had like 4 different styles that you can choose from. So I chose a style that was closest to what I believe I like my brows to look, or what my natural brows would be if I didn't pluck them to death in middle school and draw them on. Yes, I used to do that. I used to draw my brows on. I mean, I still draw my brows on, but I'm much better. They're not like a line or anything, but hence the line of hair that I have now that all my hair have pretty much permanently have gone away. I do get some hair growing in if I don't touch my brows and if I use castor oil, but anyways, that's a whole nother story, you guys. I'm getting off subject. So I'm gonna open up this package. Yeah, here it is. No, hold up, you guys. I'm tripping. No, I'm not tripping. Okay, so I was looking at these brows, and yeah, look at them. I don't know if you can see that. It's a lot of glare. So they are like, look, they're like big, and then they get smaller. Can you see that? Bigger, and then they get smaller. Like, I don't know. I thought they were all going to be the same size, because now every single day, if I want to keep using them, my brows are going to just look thick and then smaller and smaller and smaller. And yeah, I did not think that was going to be like that. It comes with the film like this. Okay. Wait, I'm nervous. I'm really nervous because it has no instructions. I don't want to mess up, but I guess that's why I have 10 pairs, right? So I'm going to choose this pair because this is like kind of very similar to mine. I don't know why they did the... Anyways, so I'm going to choose this pair right here. I'm gonna cut that out. I'm gonna cut it with the film on because I don't want to get the sticky part all messed up, and then, you know, that's gonna be a no-go. Okay, you guys, I'm cutting my brows out. Okay, so now I have these. Okay, I just look so weird without having brows on. These look small. So let's see. I don't know. Like, let me turn down the light. Ooh, there we go. So there. Do you think that's it? Or do you think that's too... I don't know. I don't know. Maybe this lighting is not bad either. This is without the ring light on. But this right here is probably a little too small for me because I plan on concealing them too. So let me get another pair. I guess I'm going to do the thicker pair because the thicker pair looks like, or you know, the thicker pair actually looks like it actually has more hair in it too. So I'm going to do that first. I actually want it to look like I have brows. And they're the wispy kind. See how they're like the wisp? Let me show you. So they're like the wispy kind. You see? Those might work. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to use the cotton ball first to get off all my oils. And then let me see. I'm going to turn this back on. Ooh, it's super bright. Yo, it is super bright. I didn't know it was that bright. I don't know what's considered natural or good lighting. I really don't. So, forgive me. So, first thing I'm going to do is take this cotton ball and a little bit of this. So, I'm going to clean this off because I didn't put any makeup on my brows or anything, or around, like, really close to them or anything, because I knew I was doing this. So, I'm going to go ahead and wipe it off. Then we're going to take the brow, the first one. Ooh, let's let this dry. I'm going to pull off the film. And I'm guessing, yeah, this is for the right side. Trying to line it up with my brow. That's hard to do. Like, this is legit hard to do. Okay. I don't know. They might be crooked. But we're going to hurry up and do this. I have some water on the cotton ball, so I'm just going to take that and dab it. Let it soak through. This is interesting. We're going to just keep doing it until I feel like it's coming off, which I kind of feel like it's already sticking. Excuse all the commotion in the background. Okay, I want to make sure it comes off. Like, it's already sticking pretty well. So, let's just make sure it's really on there before I peel off. And let's hope it's straight. That's the most important thing. Go ahead and comment and tell me what you guys think it's gonna, you know, how it's gonna work out before I actually show you guys. Tell me your thoughts. I don't know. This is weird. Okay, we're gonna peel it off. OMG. I mean, you can see, let me turn down the light. Cause like, it's a glare. It's too dark. Oh my God. Like, wow. But it's definitely like darker, but it gives that shiny appeal. You get what I'm saying? Like that shine that I really don't like. But no lie, it works. Like, okay, Okay, so I'm gonna put the other one on because I'm gonna conceal, and I think I'm gonna put powder on it. But you can see I'm off. Oh, okay, let's focus. So can you see this? Like, it's off a little. It's off of my actual brow hair a little. But for the most part, that does look like it's hair. Look at the difference. The arch is on point. Woo! But this is shiny as heck, and it's peeling because I don't think I put too much water down here, but it's a little off my natural brow. It's a little off, but overall, it didn't come out too bad. So I'm gonna do the other one. Let's see. Yeah, so there's nothing left on. This is so cool. Yeah. Oh my gosh. This is not bad at all. This is not bad. So these are the brows, you guys. I mean, let's let the camera focus. But this is not bad. Like, I'm not mad at it. What? Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some concealer just to conceal it because I did not get it on top of my hairs. Can you guys see that? Like, you can see my hair, my natural hairs, just kind of underneath that because I should have brought them down lower, the brows, but like, they look like hair. These fake brows look like hair, but I'm going to conceal my brows just to make them pop a little bit more, and I'm going to try to put some powder just to get rid of the shine because we don't like shiny brows. Like, I used to rock shiny brows, but now I'm like, I like matte brows. What? Now that's what's up. That is what's up. Like, oh my gosh. Like, and the brow looks so natural, like, not even playing. It looks legit natural. So let's do this side. That looks like, wow, brows. Like, you guys, look at that. Yes, like I am pleased. Look at that. Do you see the brows? This one came out really well. Of course, it's the second one. I feel like the second time you do anything, it's always a little bit smoother and a little bit better. So I'm really liking this one. This one, first time, but still looking okay. So I concealed. Now I'm going to put some powder on them, and let's see how that turns out. I am not mad at these. What? I'm not mad at them. Oh my gosh. Okay, can you guys see that? I have brows now. What? That's so amazing. Really, like, these are the brows. I mean, I try to get rid of some of that filmy look, but for the most part, it's not too shabby. Wow. Overall, I think it's pretty cool. I really think it's a pretty cool idea. I like the fact that it's kind of quick. I mean, I can draw my brows in quicker and conceal and do all that, you know, obviously. But this is for people that maybe aren't, you know, perfect at drawing in their eyebrows and doing that, you know, wispy style themselves or whatnot. And yeah, all you got to do is put them on. It does come with the actual brow. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, there you go. You can see with the brow shape on the back. So it comes with the brow shape on the back, and this is the front. So, and this is where the film is. See, the film is up. right there on the front. So you will be able to see where you should place your brows based off of the back printing of it, and you know, you can match up with your real eyebrows. I would use it to go out without like makeup or anything if I want my brows to look full and natural. So tell me what you guys think of this tattoo brows, and if you would try it for yourself, because you know, I would say it's worth the try. Okay, it's worth buying and trying now. All right, you guys, so this is the end of this buy and try slash what's seen on Instagram slash whatever else you want to call it, try on review. Oh, if you haven't already, because I almost forgot, it's been a long time. If you haven't already subscribed, and if you haven't became part of Team CYB, then definitely press that subscribe button and also that bell notification so you will be notified when I post new videos. Woo woo. Okay, so I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.